So, well, exactly at the market maker's expected move, pretty much, into close for the end of the day today. That should keep, I mean, we're, well, a little under the market maker's expected move. So that should help realized vol move down a fraction, but I don't think it's going to make a very big difference. And implied vol is up today, and will probably continue to rise into the end of the week. This puts us in a particularly weak position, especially if gamma neutral on SPX has moved closer to spot, which it likely has. There's not a lot of positive gamma here supporting the downside moves. And we may move into a situation tomorrow where volatility spikes on a loss of gamma neutral. In the meantime, not super exciting. I know commodities moved up a little bit today, mostly on the back of a big jump in oil, but precious metals are still staying elevated. So is copper. The dollar moved back up to 100.9, which isn't really a significant prior level, but I guess it would be looking at 100.948 for a reversal. Yields did move up as well. Also not substantially, but a little bit, and a little bit higher on the back end of the curve. Correlation continued to fall into the end of the day. The spread on the carry, which now I have to redo, moved up quite a bit actually, and I'm guessing despite the yen falling against the dollar, leverage was increased in the carry almost through the entirety of the day. I think last night, yeah, we were down here. So some inflation expectations coming off of durable goods. Move 105. No, still not a lot of increase in bond volatility. Tail risk hedging continues to fall off. 89.46% of the S&P over its 20-day moving average, and Fed fund futures pricing in 0.89 rate cuts, down from this morning's 0.94. So about a 5 bip drop through the intraday, which should be a little bit more bullish. Although I think that would improve if we were under 0.85. This is still at risk for, pricing in a recession. So something to keep an eye on. This is something that I wanted to point out, and even with the high today, right? We haven't regained the prior high at 56.69, and we only traded outside of Thursday's drop by a couple bips this morning and then immediately failed. This is usually like a sign of weakness, like this kind of like trading inside on Friday and failing to regain a new high. And then today with the new high, immediately failing it. And we may see this break down a little bit and back towards, like 55.70, 55.23, which are the next kind of minor supports to the downside here. Anyway, that's where we're at. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I hope everybody has a lovely night. Later.